Hey guys, this is Bill Herman from the Entertainment Experience and Creative License. And today I wanted to just reach out, say hi, and talk about the conferences that happen around the United States. The DJ conferences. There's one in Las Vegas, there's one in Atlantic City, and I live in the Midwest. I've been here in the Midwest all of my life, and to be able to go to one of these conferences, I've got to make a big plan. I've got to travel to one side of the country or the other to be able to be a part of a conference, do some education, have some networking with amazing people in my industry. Until now, there's too many people that don't know that there is a conference, a really good conference right here in the Midwest. It's called Midwest DJs Live, and it happens in Milwaukee. Now, the dates of the conference, I believe, are April 29th through May 1st. And I'll put down below me, you'll see the website you can go to, and in the comments below and everywhere, I'll show you a place to get tickets. The tickets are really inexpensive, and the speakers are amazing. I'm going to be speaking there too, so they're not as amazing as you might think, but there's some great people there. In another video, I'll tell you about some of the speakers that are going to be there, what I know about them, and the kind of things that you can learn. But trust me, even if you only see this video, you go to this conference and it will change how you do business. You've never been to a conference, you go to this one. This one's inexpensive, it's in your backyard, and then you'll be hooked on going to conferences. It's amazing. So, Midwest DJs Live, April 29th through May 1st in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. If you come, I want you to look for me, shake my hand. I want to meet you if I haven't ever. All right, this is Bill Herman, and I'll see you at Midwest DJs Live in Milwaukee, April 29th through May 1st.